Hey guys, I'm Neewer Takahashi. I'm a cinematographer, director based in Tokyo, Japan. So today I'm gonna make this lighting setup. I wanna try just some Muslin Bounce. So do you know the Muslin Bounce? This lighting is many people are talking about. So this Muslin Bounce is super nice look, and you can create the cinematic image by yourself. If you wanna get these kind of unbleached muslin or bleached muslin fabric, there are many stuff in this industry, but I think this is expensive for me because this Muslin Bounce needs a lot of clothes and fabrics, so we have to get a bunch of clothes for our lighting. In this video, I wanna introduce my DIY budget Muslin Bounce. So let's take a look. Let's start DIY Muslin Bounce. I bought the fabrics from Amazon, from the AK Trading, and this is a bleached muslin, and this one is the unbleached muslin. So I wanna test these kind of fabric. Actually, this works for the professional situation. So I wanna try and create some test footages. But this fabric is 10 yards. I'm not familiar with the yards, but this is too long that I want to use in my set. So I'm gonna cut it down more, shorter lengths. Let's do it. First, I'm cutting this bleached muslin. It looks white, and yeah, I can see the over here through this fabric, so it looks some, bed sheet or something. So I will cut it down. Okay, this fabric to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 piece. It's for my lighting, kind of Muslin Bounce, and this is for the diffusion for my key light. I'm gonna do same things for my unbleached muslin. So it looks a little beige, or it has the little warm color. At first, I wanna test the bleached muslin. So maybe this makes some white-ish light. So here's the setup. So this is tiny little room, but I make some I wanna try to make some cinematic lighting. So the camera is a Blackmagic Pocket Cinema camera, and I can look the feed from this monitor. In this video, I used this amaran F21C. This is super nice light from Aperture. You guys already know that this brand, so light quality is super nice. And then this F21C is the flexible light, so super lightweight, and then there is no kind of interface here. Then we need connect to the interface for here, but this body is super lightweight, so we can create nice light if you are in this kind of tiny little room. I put some softbox for this F21C, and put the diffuser, and I create this great light because I wanna create some direction for this key light. Then this light hit toward the bleached muslin. So this is the important things in this video. So I make some book light from this key light. Then I wanna create some muslin bounce from this direction. This wall is kind of boring white wall, so I want to create some depths. Then I put this Godox SL200. Then I put this snoot, but snoot is kind of like this circle shape. Then I put some black tape on there. Then I shape this kind of rectangle light. So this light coming from here, then toward hit this wall. So this kind of shape light is creating some depths of the background. So this is super important. Let's check the result of this bleached muslin, right? Maybe it looks super nice. So my face is, yeah, frame light is the key light hit from here, then create nice soft key light. Then this side is kind of little, we can see this shadow. It's kind of like a Rembrandt lighting. So yeah, I feel this is super nice. Yeah, so Muslin Bounce is, yeah, many cinematographer says this is super nice key light. Then yeah, and then even if it's this fabric is the from Amazon, maybe this works well for your shooting. Yeah, I want to switch this bleached muslin to the unbleached muslin. So okay, I switched my bleached muslin to unbleached muslin. So I didn't change anything except this fabric, and then this is a unbleached muslin, and entire this lighting setup is the same. I didn't change the values and the white balance. And then let's check this result. Maybe it's gonna be more warmer key light. Oh, this look is a unbleached muslin, as you can see. So this aperture F21C is a 5600 Kelvin. So this is a kind of daylight balance, and then this hit toward the unbleached muslin, and then this light coming from this side, and then the light color is a little warm. So this is the Hollywood secret. So this unbleached muslin is, many people are talking about this light, but yeah, it looks so super nice, and yeah, this Muslin Bounce is super nice and cinematic. You can make the cinematic look literally. Fabric from Amazon, and maybe you don't need buy expensive fabric for the filmmaking stuff. You can buy from Amazon, and you can try it out, cut yourself. So yeah, the result is super nice. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped your lighting setup. See you in the next video.